Hey, what's going on? I know I'm not the only one who is struggling with this, and that's how to earn back your time and stay motivated to clean. If that's something you're struggling with, you're going to want to check out this video because in this video, we're going to talk about some fresh new ways that's going to help you earn back your time, but also motivate you to get more done, especially with cleaning. So welcome. And if you're new here, my name is Amber Swanson, and this is Royalty Cleaning Company's YouTube channel. We talk a lot about different cleaning tips, techniques, and just best practices to help you get the most use out of your time. But in today's video, we're going to stay focused on how to earn back your time and to stay motivated to clean. So this topic in itself is very close to home to me, not only because of COVID and a lot of injustices that are going on in the world, but more so being a wife, a family member, and an entrepreneur. I have been struggling with trying to maximize my time because we only have 24 hours in a day. And so I had been allowing myself time to reflect on where my time has been going. And I hope I'm not the only one. Do you catch yourself thinking about, dang, I could have got more done in this day if I did X, Y, and Z? Leave in the comments below if you're struggling with that too, because I know I'm not crazy. I know I'm not the only one. So here are the fresh ideas that the fresh solutions that have worked for me, and I hope that it will work for you and you get value out of it. Now, once again, if you're new here, go ahead and like and subscribe so you can continue on this journey with us. And so what I found was task building worked really well for me. I didn't know that that was something I already have been doing. So if you're in the kitchen and you have multiple things you need to do in the kitchen, I spent an hour doing different things like reorganizing, cleaning my stove, my oven, different things. I utilized that time to the max. And the more I started doing it, the more I started blocking out time, an hour time span to do stuff like that. And it's a game changer. I also caught myself outsourcing because, like I said, I'm trying to continue to reshape and stay with the trends and grow my business. And then knowing that outsourcing has allowed me to gain back my time so that I continue to learn and grow, but also get the projects that is not, I should say, more out of my skill set to hire somebody else to do it. And it has been a game changer. Now for you, some of you may or may not have businesses and you're like, Amber, I don't know how outsourcing will work for me. Well, it can definitely work for you too. All you have to do is call or go online these days and look up grocery delivery services or house cleaning services. Those are different things that we hire other people to do so that we can spend time doing things that are important for us. And I also noticed that I treated every single thing on my to-do list as the big decision. And what I mean by that is every single thing I did, I was like, I have to do this today. I have to check it off. And I would catch myself going in a dark place. And one thing I always try to remember is what Gandhi said. He said, see the change that you want to see. And that starts from within. You gotta start from within. You have to be kind to yourself and loving to yourself, and then that projects into the world. And knowing that, it helps me to really sit back and be like, you know what? I am being too hard on myself, trying to get all these things done in 24 hours. It's not realistic. I need to hire help. I need to task build these projects that I got going in my house, outside of the house, whatever. And when I came up with these 3 fresh ideas that I just shared with you, it was a game changer. So I hope you got a lot of value out of this video. We're going to continue to move forward and talk about how to stay motivated to clean. But also, I'm always trying to find ways to share with you how to maximize your time because it's important. We only have 24 hours to live our best lives, and living in the present moment and taking action every single day is important. So I hope to see you in the next video where we're going to start our series on how to stay motivated to clean. And in the meantime, stay blessed, not stressed. And I see you soon.